Yeah, Gaza Nation. I see something are going on here or going right about now. Them run out as soon as them find out that the World Boss EP hit the billboard. So this look one name Intence run out and them claim say them drop this song off of vybz Kartel. Okay, no complaint. Because the last time I remember Kartel sent sick rhyme and some girl up push by him live and him skate out of the lane. And I think the last time Kartel sent a girl go bust him head. After I run off him out and I said no more of them artists song they not for play in the dance. If you no should remember Gaza Nation. But here we are going right about now. You know what I mean? Is it that the hype where me da ride pan I leave him? Is it that it's because Skilly Bang signed with label and Fly gone left him? So he might look back at hype now half of the World Boss. Watch. At the world it's not a plan. Yo, watch what I go on, you know, carefully. Hey, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know what's going on? When I come to represent full effecting man. You know what go? When I load up, ear up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. Or the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me now. Or the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? So, isn't that right intence? Isn't that the look of hype where you would have in a Jamaica and a hype up your local self? Is it that you see the hype slowly leave you? Because the youth them are advanced on a bigger level than what you are dealing with. Eh? Yo, the World Boss left YouTube and going, you know. The World Boss left on a playground and going, you know. So you can run up and dump on a jungle jail, you know. You see what I deal with? And ride on a roller coaster, you know. You see what I say? The World Boss are international thing, the World Boss are dealing with, you know, a lollipop business, you know. I don't know if you don't see that, you know. You see what I say? So all them look at things the way I try. A long time people I try to teach you some shit, but when time man go in constructive criticism, when I feel like so well then I violate, you know. And no for no quick for say people bad mind, you know. You know what I mean? Because you know not like hear the truth. Right now at 2020, you know, my friend. Watch it. The man still sound animated, you know, my virgin. The man still a come with him animated shit said we, you know. Like a Disney World him there, you know. You see what I say? Right now, you know, him claiming him song, you know, say World Boss have vocabulary and I teach you them fuckery. And you know, as a young individual, you spot that and say a fuckery, the man I teach the man them. And you know capitalize off of that and teach the youth them something better. What are you teaching the youth them? Because your song them can't come out of Jamaica, you know. The way it sound, you know. When you go stop that fuckery, it never can come out of Jamaica. That's them song the way you sing, the way all your sound and the way all you go on, that song the never can pass, them song the never can pass out of Jamaica. Because Alkaline act wicked on you when him a boss. Wicked. And it still never pass out of Jamaica. You know what I mean? So I don't know where you think, where you come with a little squeaking business and a little animated thing, the Alvin, the chipmunks, them. You see what I say? I feel like so well then that are going to be a factor. A 2020, no, a 2021 now. You're supposed to upgrade for your music. Because you do it now for a minute. You're supposed to upgrade for your music. And you're supposed to make the whole world a hear you. You see what I say? No gimmicks business not there in it. The lollipop thing, the way I deal with it, now go work. And it makes sense you're showing a shades off for the world boss. You should have clash Savage or clash Sikarine if you did want something for go on for you. You know, in the world boss league, my virgin. Nobody don't know you overseas. I know in Jamaica alone you have hype. You know what I mean? And I'm mostly from your friend them or some local kids who just grow up like you look squeaky animated shit. And they said stop. You know what I mean? Me don't know what I talk about. Eh? You know, see Lion Pride have to run and use the big man song for advertise them Whistler business because them don't know say anything at all you touch from you say world boss it sell off clean on a first class or even a lollipop thing. Eh? You know blind, I see all this animated blogger. You know what I mean when them CV. Me don't know what's wrong with a youth there. The man full of delusion till it look like him crazy. Me don't know if him no. Go back, go watch him own video and listen to himself and listen what I tell the people them. Because I'm there for live, you know. And I claim saying the world boss dropped 3 albums, you know. And him not hear the world boss fans them and say, wow. So where the sense him drop it. You never hear nothing so stupid. Eh? We are come out a big man mouth. No say a clown that. Last time him go up on the bus with the artists, them, you know, them diss him, you know, my brother. And him still a go like him a clown, you know. Oh, the man for drop 3 big Billboard album and you chat fucker. The man fans them now for telling about no wow where you think I can do this. Eh? Where the people them a say wow for. The people them not in and no more chatting with you. You know, see the people them do go out and support the man album them. Or you think it reach Billboard? Or you think it reach Billboard? You think a wow bring it to Billboard? Eh? And your artist so good and so clever. Do you get a Billboard it's in a 2020? What do we done in a 2020? Eh? What does your artist done in a 2020? For you get up and go like you want to talk against the man album them. You don't have to like it, my brother. You can't stop it. The 3 of them go Billboard. You know what I mean? It wasn't a waste of time for the man. You know what I mean? I'm not chatting to bring it go Billboard. You know what I mean? But I know what hurt more sound. It's true the man hide the EP from YouTube. I don't go no one song on it. I don't have nothing to talk about. So I couldn't do no video about it for creep up no money from the AdSense feed. You know what I mean? It hurt, you know. You know, up in our feelings. You see what I say? Remember, you know, each of them album that where the man drop, you know, claims a fucker, you know. You know what I mean? And the album them now go hit the reggae Billboard, you know. Them hit all the American Billboard chart, you know. You know what I mean? And then no gimmicks thing, you know. Number 1 for all iTunes and all them shit there, you know. No gimmicks not there in it, you know. I want to look at YouTube artists them, you know. You don't want to come and chat up on the mouth. And you can't bring a YouTube artist to the man them thing. You know, see how the man them thing tough, out of street. Eh? But waste of time. You're a clown, you don't watch TikTok, or you don't go over Instagram daily to see how much girl from all over the world I do video to the man song them. Eh? Paint Instagram with all type of wicked video. Black girl, white girl, all type of girl, Chinese girl, all type of girl. I want me to no clown. Which one of the artists you see I do them thing there? Women are come out from all over the world I do video upon a song. Which one of the artists? One of them they run up on the mouth. Another they chat on the look at hypocrisy. All the fans them want to have delusion and fool no blood clot. Me can't love an artist and true because I love him like that. Me supposed to in a delusion and in a some lighting and feel like say that can bring the artist come to the forefront. No, my virgin. That can't do it, my virgin. Because when it all said and done, my virgin, your artist still local and your mouth can't change that. A big song you have to do for change that. You have to have song with people interested in it internationally. If him not find them song there, that's the only thing you can have. Talk on YouTube. That's it. That's the farthest it can go. You know what I mean? You're local. You know what I mean? You're not international. I don't know gimmicks business about it. You see what I say? So when time you chat and I chat, I don't know if I talk, you think your mouth can bring down the man, or you don't know what the chat say. Because you're there on live and have an audience of people and a chat. Be a bullshit. Listen to yourself and listen to where you talk, say if you talk nothing with sense. You know what I mean? You sound like a living nerdy pearly. No gimmicks thing, no the inner it. And why you watch the man fans them? Because them not watch you, my brethren. Now them not watch your artist, because your artist not do nothing at all for them watch. Him not accomplish nothing 2020. A 2 Billboard album the man get 2020. And a gold plat, film gold record. So what your artists are do? What your artists do? Talk no man. What your artists do? What does Alkaline done 2020? What the achievement when get 2020? Not even YouTube streaming him couldn't tap. And at that on a playground. At this on a barn, at that birth on in a dance hall, YouTube. And not even him own birthplace. Him couldn't tap the streaming. And him can't show him Spotify number up to now. And you not chat about that, you know. But you don't want to chat like an artist or do something. What is their Spotify number? All the numbers go up on Spotify. The champion player field will pay you a lot of dollars. Come and think artists do something for make money, you know. But the first me see artists are run from money. When you can't show on the Spotify numbers, don't want to come talk to people. What kind of argument do you want to have? Everything on the cigars are doing run up and live and I go on wood, on fuck and a chat this and a chat that like say well then one is a factor in a nothing at all or whatever. One in a it. I see the Star and the Gleaner name out the first 5 that who them think are the first 5 dancehall artists for 2020. And all know none of the media outlet them not call Alkaline name. And you know him is a local artist, him not international. So nobody him not have nothing to do with nothing about no international shit. Him is a local artist, so locally you're supposed to hear him name and to run up on the mouth and chat up on the mouth over these years and all them things up on YouTube and a beat up on the gum. The people them supposed to recognize him even as one of the man them out of the few who them thinks are the DJ for the ear. No media outlet no call him name. Them no see him. All them look, them can't see him. So what you talk about? Go talk to your artist, my virgin. You know what I mean? Go talk to your artist. You sound like a living nerd. You can see big Billboard album and I chat up your mouth. 2 big Billboard album and now you see Billboard EP and you want to get bright. Or the general 10-star one.